you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Various types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a 2018 Kia Stinger all-wheel drive. This is a freshwater flood damage vehicle. As you can see, no rust or corrosion in the engine compartment. It appears to be a low-level flood so far. Do a quick walk around. We haven't made any attempts to start the vehicle. This is our initial assessment. As you can see, there's no water condensation in the headlights. We will attempt to start this vehicle. We'll check all the fluids and make sure there's no water in the engine or transmission. This unit is an all-wheel drive vehicle. Body's really clean. Take a look inside. Don't see any water in the pockets. Tracks. See some dog hair, but no signs of water there. The water line. There's no visible water line. Don't smell anything. But we got to be careful just to make sure, you know, everything is dry before we attempt to start it. So far, so good. Nice sunroof, leather interior. Pretty confident we're going to start it up. Once we get it running, we'll post it on the website. Pricing, mileage. All the details. Thanks for watching the video.